What is up, guys? A very good morning and welcome back to another daily market outlook, and we're kicking it off with EURUSD. So this week we have some very big news, hence why the market is currently ranging and moving sideways. So as we can see, we're just still stuck inside of this overall area of consolidation here on EURUSD. So not too much to say or to analyze. Obviously, if we go in towards the 15-minute, I'm just showing you here on the 4-hour, we did in fact react yesterday to that area of supply and dumped from there. Going in towards the 15, we actually did react to that area of supply, which I pointed out yesterday. We saw a break over here and then a further push. Then after that, we kind of again pushed back in towards this supply zone. We did kind of spike above it, but then we did really push back down again. But then obviously what we can now see is that the market is just moving sideways with the major news which we have upcoming during this week. So if you want to check out all the news, make sure to go to forexfactory.com. So not expecting too much from EURUSD for the rest of this week. If we fail to break down lower, then obviously I do expect us to kind of grab the liquidity above these highs, maybe pop up above this swing high, and then, for example, start pushing back down again. So just keeping that in mind, not really focusing too much on EURUSD for this week, in all honesty. Now, going in towards AUDUSD obviously dumped further in towards the downside. We saw an initial reaction to this area of demand over here, but then what happens is that we push down lower and we've now closed below this fractal low, or we're maybe going to close below that fractal low. So we've already seen a change of character. Now this is your supply zone, so keep an eye out for shorts from that area of supply. Do keep in mind, obviously, that there are some news announcements. So yeah, we could see some very fast movements, but just purely focused on price action, we should now see something like this. Keep in mind that if the market just ignores that area of supply, we could move up higher and potentially move up all the way in towards this extreme area of supply. So that is that. For the rest, we have some trendline liquidity resting underneath here. And if we do in fact pop down lower, then I'm definitely targeting kind of like this overall swing low, with this area of demand being our next target. So that is a target for downside, and then the target for upside I think is also clear. Going in towards the dollar index, just a little bit of a random method. Overall, inside of this area of demand over here, and moving up higher as expected. So let's see if we can continue that trend in towards the highs. I think the market will be ready to start pushing up higher once we break above that high over there. Go in towards pound dollar next. So pound dollar, stuck inside of supply, very slow and squeezy price action here. Still waiting. Obviously, we can see demand did its thing. Then again, over here, demand did its thing. So let's see. I mean, if the market is able to break this low, then potential shorts on board. Otherwise, just wait for the market to move up higher, grab liquidity, for example, above this swing high over here. So that is pound dollar. Going in towards NZDUSD, so Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar over here reacted to this area of supply. I mean, overall, we kind of, created this ascending wedge over here. We saw a bullish change of character high. Then what happened is that this became your change of character low over here. So this is your buy before the sell. So that is your supply zone from where we want to be going short. So keep an eye out for this area of supply to go short from. If we do move up higher, then obviously we'll be looking at this next supply zone over here, the overall extreme. So that is Kiwi dollar. Last of all, gold. Gold, I mean, is ranging very clearly. It's waiting for news, guys. So I would advise not to trade it. I think it's very, very clear that we're just moving sideways. So if you really want to trade this, then obviously just use the tactic of the 25 and the 75. So if we then put the range trading tool in, you can see we just buy from the 25% mark and we sell from the 75% mark. So we saw, we did in fact, by the way, see a break of this fractal high. Obviously, going then in towards the 15. Yesterday, there was a long to be taken from, let's say, the lows inside over here. Maybe from this demand zone over here, for example, but nothing really risk to reward wise that was very attractive, let's put it that way. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and wish you all a fantastic day. Thanks.